This is a video about how to mix up IVERON to a 1% ivermectin lotion. This is the concentrated ivermectin. You can mix it with whatever lotion or even hair conditioner if you want to, or water. What you want is what's called a water-based lotion or conditioner. And the way you can know it's water-based, you look on the back and the very first ingredient should be water. Here's another example. Hair conditioner, first ingredient, water. These should all mix well with the IVERON. I'm going to add lotion until it comes up just about to the shoulder here. This lip, just below the cap. So it'll be 2 ounces of ivermectin concentrate plus 6 ounces of skin lotion, hair conditioner, water, whatever you like, to make a 1% ivermectin lotion. Now, lotions are pretty thick. You'll notice this doesn't pour very well, and Gold Bond is even thicker. That's harder to pour. What I do is I put the cap on, nice and snug. I'm going to put this in a bowl of hot water for about 10 minutes, and what that does is it thins this out a little temporarily. It makes it easier to pour. This way you get to pick a lotion or hair conditioner that you want, whether it's with fragrance or without fragrance. It's up to you. You can use what you want. Baby lotion is the cheapest. That's usually what I recommend. It goes on nicely and it's cheap. For mixing or stirring, you can use whatever you want. A spoon, stick, a fork, whatever you've got on hand. So first I add enough to fill the jar about halfway. You don't have to be very exact about this. If you want to, you can put the cap on. You can shake it up. Okay, so ultimately I'm just going to fill it up to about where the shoulder of these on here. Now it mixes very easily. That's all there is to it. Now you got 8 ounces of 1% ivermectin lotion. Good to store something like this out of direct sunlight, like in a cupboard or whatever. You don't have to refrigerate it. You can if you want to, but you don't need to.